So here we are again. In our last video, we that was amazing. We generated a button which on pressing the button changed its text. But now we learned about control structures and we can do more. So what I want to do next is to tell the button to switch between two states. So it either has the text click me, or we want to set the text equals to I was clicked. And we want to switch between these two states. Now, if we have two states, that pretty much sounds like a Boolean variable. So let's generate a new variable which holds the current state of the button. So this will be a var because we want to change it. Okay, it's a little bit long name, but it's better to have long and telling variable names than short ones which you have no clue what they should hold 2 days after you've wrote the code. And because we switch between two states, we can just use a Boolean variable and set that for the moment to false. So what do we want to do? If that variable we just created is false, then we want to display the text click me. And else we display the text I was clicked. Now there's one thing missing, because I have to change the state variable here once it was clicked. So in that case, when it was clicked, we want to switch it back to current state clicked equals false. And in that case, current state button clicked equals to true. Well, does that make sense? Let's ask our emulator. I clicked it, it was clicked. That's nice. I clicked it again and it says click me. And so we can switch between two states. So what I didn't like is that in the beginning, there was still displayed my first button. So let's change that. Let's delete that line here. And how do we set that? When the startup, we want to have displayed the click me text. So one way would be to set the text up here for the text field. What we're going to do is we go back to our user interface and change the text here to click me. You see, the preview looks nice now. Let's run our app. So it directly before anything else says clicked me. That's nice. We click it. It said I was clicked. We click it again. And we switch between these two states. And I said that's already pretty nice, because we now have a functionality to a button. It's changed depending on an outside state. Cool. And I'd say that's enough for this video. So we stop here and happy coding.